Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last 2 days and how the silver price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, you can see there is a W pattern is forming. Okay, and if we look at the chart, we can see that 21.50 is a strong support. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. If we look at the chart carefully, we can see that this is 21.50 is a strong support. Okay, and tested here twice, and I've already told you that if the chances of crossing for the third time is very high. Okay, now suppose if it sustain this level, okay, then probability of touching 29.860 is high, and from there we can see if it sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 23.131. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 23.402, and this 23.402 is already tested here, so chances will be very high. We can see a level of 23.576, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 23.944, and once the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 24.249. okay, and once if it comes close to 24.249, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.578758. okay, and these levels are already tested here, so chances are high we can see a level of 25.402, or it can go further high to a level of 25.978. okay, and if the price sustain of this level, then we can see a level of 26.418. okay, suppose now if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.589, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.419. okay, once 22.419 didn't sustain, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.182. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 21.877. okay, once 21.877 is crossed downside, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.436, and this level is already tested here, so chances will be very high we can see it can go fall further and can touch a level of 19.945. okay, and one important thing, that if it goes below a level of 22.148, then we can see it will fall further and can touch a level of 20.407, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 19.030 also. Keep this in mind. If the price, if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, and your risk amount should be 0.5 to 1%. I'm explaining you again 0.51%, because if you lose $100 or $50, then you are not mentally bound to recover that loss. But if you lose more than amount of 10% or 15% in a particular trade, then the thing is that you'll wipe around $1,000-$2,000 of your, if you trade with 10,000 particularly for a trade, then you lose that amount. So for trading for the next day will be very difficult for you. So always try to use 10 to 15% of capital per trade and 0.5 to 1% of the risk you should take per trade, so that you can trade properly on the next day. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.